This recipe is for buffalo chicken cheese balls. Ingredients: 1 store-bought rotisserie chicken, 1/4 cup of hot sauce, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 3/4 cups of sharp cheddar, 1/4 cup of freshly sliced scallions, 1 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, lightly beaten, 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs, vegetable oil for frying, blue cheese dip, 1½ cups of mayonnaise, half a cup of packed blue cheese, broken up, half a teaspoon of hot sauce, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a lemon, juiced, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Have oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Pick the meat from the chicken and discard the skin. Place the chicken in a large bowl and add the hot sauce, pepper, cheese, and scallions, and toss to combine. Roll the chicken into 2-ounce balls, about the size of a golf ball. Place the flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs in 3 separate bowls. Roll each ball in the flour, egg and then the breadcrumbs, set aside. When the oil is hot, fry the chicken balls in batches. Cook for about 2 minutes per batch. Remove the chicken to a paper towel-lined plate to drain the excess oil. To make the sauce, combine all ingredients in a large bowl and adjust the seasoning if necessary. Serve the chicken alongside the dipping sauce.